it going, guys? This is the 2026 Draggins car show. Now the thing is, Draggins car show happens every Easter, and this is the 64th annual car show. And usually, if you noticed on the YouTube channel, I do mostly of car builds. But now, because most of my cars are running, so you guys will see more car shows for the 2026 season. And I'll show you what I got for display. Okay guys, this is the corner booth here. And I swapped spots with Redline Society because it makes sense that they got their display going on. So I'll show you guys first Kurt Loth's Civic. It's a pretty good buddy of mine. He won a lot of awards. See that? Then you got the Lakemans Integra Type R. Really clean. I think he had it for a few years. See how clean it is. And then they got a Moto Comp right there. And then we got Donovan's Integra. Very clean, bunch of carbon fiber. Very nice. And then another matching Moto Comp. Then you got Jeff Luke's Lexuses here. This one he did a lot of work on because he did airbags on it. But we're gonna go back to my booth.
Got a full day of that activity, so
yeah, see, a bunch of cars here.
Displays, check out the first one will go at 9.
Displayed very well. Got that Drake car. This one was pretty rowdy right here. Anyways, show you guys my booth. So this is what I got going on. So I got the engine bay all cleaned up so you can see how clean it is. Then I got my picture frame here. Then most of you guys want to see the E30. Well, yeah, I got that going on. So the story about the Mustang. Now I got a display going on here, so it just shows, like probably beginning the video, the intro. And then here is the E30. So it took me 5 hours to polish this thing when I got here because my ramp truck's down right now. And I had no choice to drive it. So you can see, got my display going on. And yeah, the car looks slick, the Mustang looks slick. Walk around more to look at other cars other than this corner, because I just showed you guys all that. But there's a few cars here. I already did a walk around yesterday because this is day 2 and there is pretty sick cars here. Okay, so we're first gonna start off with the British Car Club. They got some pretty cool British cars that I've never seen before. Oh, super nice. And obviously I'm a sucker for the Bandit Special. I don't think it's a Bandit Special. No, it isn't. Okay, there's an Air Trans Am, I think. I don't think this is the only one here, but this is the Recaro Special Edition. Cuda's over here. Super nice, and then we got this going on. Now, when I saw this, I am a sucker for javelins. Then there's a 302 I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so this is the showroom where most of the cars that are pretty expensive are sitting in.
That's right. That's right. Okay. That's very red.
Hi, Jerry.
That's not carrying.
Now this one's a cool one. It's GT500. And look at that truck. So this one is wide-bodied, and the paint is amazing. This is one of my favorites out of the show. What's going in here? Is it 350? Oh no, it's LS. Pretty cool. And what I like about this show is there's a lot of 1940s and 50s cars and 30s. I'm not a big fan, but
Twin turbo. Twin turbo.
it's pretty spicy. Van. Got this truck going on. It's LS. Super nice. Then we got Challenger. And you get a lot of them that have the mirrors. You can see underneath. This is cool. It's an official pace car.
Yeah. And I was bringing to Shelby.
I know I'm
And that one's a nice Corvette. And I don't really like that much Corvette, so. Then this one is my favorite. So this one I didn't even know because this is a custom paint, I think. This is a Mercury Cyclone. It's a 1968. And I did know they come with like the big blocks. I just didn't know it had a 429. Super cool. So this one and then this one is like my favorite of the show. Get you guys like an ass end pic of it.
Right? Yeah.
There you go. We'll go to the other side. Not the other side, but we are. Okay, that's cool. It's ITDs. Super nice. There's Kruger Construction, Murray. He has his whole TRD set up over there. Hey guys. Yeah, he has his whole TRD set up here.
It's okay. I know you can do it.
They are showing the camping gear and everything, so really nice. And got these cars. See like funny cars. That's a really cool thing here. It's pretty cool. Super nice. We got bikes here too. They have some Indians here. Then there's like a race car there. I didn't even know it was a GT350. I thought it was a regular 65. Super nice. There's a Roadrunner. This is pretty cool display. And they have a little battery charger here. That's cool. And what I find pretty sick is this one's an unrestored one.
These two look like brothers.
And yeah, that's the show. There's more on the other side, and I'll record the other side. Okay, we're back in the big hall. Now let's way busier. Super nice. I got all the Drake cars. I love low riders. And this is my friend's Chris K's VW bus from Japan. I think it's like a Daihatsu or something. There's a Bricklin. There's a Corvette. GTR, Starlet. Oh, there's another Shelby right there. And one of my favorite cars of the show is a Fiat. I actually almost bought one. I know where one is. Zooming out for you guys. Going right here. Really nice. And you got some bikes here. I just wanted to show you guys what cars I actually liked and what I thought was pretty cool. There's some I might have skipped out, but yeah, that's how it is. But anyways, guys, if you guys like this video of the Draggins car show, and I'm probably gonna be chilling around my booth for the rest of the day because I have to drive both of my cars back home. So anyways, guys, I'll see you later. Peace.
Fly me to the